For this beet juice, I'm gonna use 3 carrots. As you can see, they have their greens. Don't worry if you don't find the carrot greens. I just found these. I'm like, I'm juicing that, okay? And they're very skinny carrots. So whatever, you know, just use 2 normal ones if you want. I'm going to use 2 beets. If you have the beet greens, that would be spectacular. I only have the beets, so that's what I'm making. I'm just gonna cut these in half. Make sure you wash these very, very well. I'm adding a piece of ginger. It's, I don't know, a couple inches. It's gonna make it spicy. You can put half of this if you want. It's just washed, okay? I'm also gonna put a cucumber in here. I just washed it. I am not gonna peel it. By the way, this is not waxed. So if you have a waxed cucumber, peel it, okay? And finally, I'm going to just quarter this apple. I'm not gonna core it. The machine will take care of that. It's just a Honeycrisp apple. Any apple will do. This is sweet and spicy and refreshing and delicious and also good for us. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.